Happy Yarnie Yule! Hi, it's Kim from Affordably Crafty. Today's July 2nd. It's the second day of Yarnie Yule. If you're new to this channel, I teach you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. This month's feature is Yarnie Yule. So today is Thursday, so later today I will be posting my vintage crochet feature. That's not changing this month, that's on Thursdays. But we did the bunting project yesterday, so what should we do today for our project? I'm not really sure. Let me think about that for a second. Let me think. Sure, what should we do for the second day of... Is that there before? I don't... Did Steve leave that there? It's kind of random, I'm not sure. What should I do for today? I think I'm going to be taking that. You know what this looks like to me? This looks like our Yarnie Yule Christmas tree. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is going to be fun. This is going to become our Yarnie Yule Christmas tree. Yarnie Yule. So let's go over to my workspace and we're going to whip something up to make this look awesome. All right, see you back at the workspace in a minute. Oh, like, subscribe, and do all that jazz if you like this content. Add my Facebook group. Okay, see you over at the workspace. Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty. Happy Yarnie Yule summer. So today for our first project of Yarnie Yule, we are going to make our tree. First thing you need is a safety cone. I saw this in the Dollar Tree and I thought, that could be a really cool tree. Now you don't have to get one that's this big. This one is, does it say on it how big it is? No, I'll measure it and put it in the description box after. So you need a safety cone. You need scrap green yarn. I used a couple of different hues. So I think this is Red Hot Super Saver. This is the Spin Right Tent Sale yarn. This is the Dollar Tree Premier stuff, and then this is just Mill End Buccal yarn. I'm using a crochet hook. You can pick any one you want to pull the yarn through at the end. I find it's easier. Scissors, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. You're going to use a lot of these for this project, so stock up. I like Gorilla Glue just because I feel like it holds up better over time. Because this is something I'm going to want to keep year after year. But if you have a brand you like, go for it. I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is not sponsored by Dollar Tree or Gorilla Glue or anybody else. So these are the supplies you need. Any green scrap yarn that you want to use. And if you want to make it all one color, you know, go for it. I just wanted some different colors. Scissors, crochet hook, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and a safety cone. Alright, I will be right back. Alright, we're going to start this project in just a minute, but if you're new here, welcome to Affordably Crafty. And my channel is all about stretching your craft dollar to be affordably crafty through tips, tricks, projects, walkthroughs, deal alerts, and a bunch of other stuff, including vintage crochet. I dabble in lots of areas of the crafting world. So today for Yarnie Yule, we're going to be making this tree. And, you know, if you're so inclined, please share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, and give me a thumbs up. So I am going to now show you how to make the ball of yarn. Just a technique that I use. You don't have to use this technique, but that's what I do. So let me just put the camera in a different spot and I will be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm going to show you on this lighter yarn because it's going to be easier for you guys to see. But basically what I'm looking for is kind of a golf ball size ball of yarn. You could choose to make smaller balls or bigger balls. It's really whatever you want to make. I just chose to go with mostly golf ball size. So I'm going to take the yarn in 2 fingers and I am going to start wrapping it around. And a wrap for maybe, I don't know, about, guess 12 times, something like that. Then once it gets thick enough, you're going to pull it off your hand. You're going to pinch it in the middle, and you're going to start wrapping around. Once you have the middle pretty well wrapped, I'm going to pinch these in to form kind of a ball. See? And now I'm going to start wrapping this around. And I'm going to turn. Let me get some more string. And I'm going to wrap. Now I'm using a 4-weight yarn here, so obviously this will use less yardage than if you choose to go with like the mill-end yarn, which is probably a 1-weight fingering. And you're just going to keep turning and wrapping. At a certain point I squish it a little to make it more round. And turn and wrap. Definitely if you put more than one color in here, it's going to wrap faster. So I will show you in a minute some of the different color combinations that I chose. But here we're just still wrapping. Turning and wrapping. Let's see how big we are here. Oh, a little bit more. And again, this is all personal preference. This does not have to be perfection. I think it actually looks cool to have a bunch of different size, but generally the same size balls on the tree. Makes it look a little more rustic, but not sloppy, you know. You don't want to look sloppy. Okay, I have my golf-sized ball. Now I'm going to cut the end. I'm going to get my crochet hook. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the crochet hook under here, a couple strands away. I'm going to wrap this over the crochet hook. Sorry, I was out of frame there. And we're going to pull it through. And that is how you get it to stay in there. Now you can either continue to wrap this in, but I'm just going to cut it. Hey, what do you guys do with these itty bitty scraps of yarn when they're like this big? I have a ye old scrap container that I just put in here, and we'll be doing some projects with these later. Let me know what you guys do with the tiny, tiny scraps you have. And if you have any tips or ideas, put that in the comments below. So, we have our thing wrapped. So now what we're going to do is, you're going to make a lot of these, okay? And you can mix the colors together, you can change them, you can do one color. It's just really important that when you put them on your tree, that you do not have a bunch of this light green together, because your eye is going to get drawn to that, and you don't want that. You want it to look a little bit more uniform. So you want them all spread out. So you're going to take hot glue, you're going to glue it on. I'll show that in the other video. And I am going to do a lot of wrapping, a lot of balls, and I'll be back in a little bit. See you in a few minutes. So you're going to take your ball, make sure that it's not on top of another one that's got the same color combination. You'll see I did a whole bunch of different ones with different green scrap yarns. So you put some glue here, some hot glue, and then you're going to pick a spot on the ball, put glue, and then 1/4 of the way down, put some more glue, and then we're going to put it on, roll it, and then press it down, and kind of press it this way too, so that you're not getting a yucky space in here. I mean, if you do, we can fix it later with something else we're going to put on the tree, but alright, just wanted to give you guys those tips. And you're going to use a lot of glue. So for this, I'm using Gorilla Hot Glue Sticks. I'm this far along and I've gone through 4. So stock up on the glue sticks. You don't need to use Gorilla, I just prefer that brand. I feel like it holds up better. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Our Yarnie Yule tree. 125 balls later. And about 10 hot glue sticks, and we have the Yarnie Yule tree. Let's do a little turnaround. This is a green yarn stash buster. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do, yarn tree. So this is our Yarnie Yule tree, which I will be decorating more with you guys tomorrow. But important tip, we're going to not go all the way to the top of this. I'll explain that more in one of our other steps. But for now, ooh, this is kind of heavy. For now, this is the Yarnie Yule tree. I think it came out amazing. So if you guys make a Yarnie Yule tree, please share your pictures on my Facebook page, Affordably Crafty, my group page. And if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share if you're so inclined. Happy Yarnie Yule! See you tomorrow. Bye.